We are dry camping at Singletree. Why it's called Singletree, I have no idea.
Because there's trees everywhere.
And it's gorgeous. You can see this is our site. We have all this area just for us. And I have to say, being at this high elevation, what is it?
Like 8,300 feet or something.
Or something like that. This is what you need when you're dry camping and you're worried about the heat. It was at least 10 degrees cooler here than down below when we visited Capitol Reef.
Yes.
And Capitol Reef was how far away?
That's about 30 minutes.
Yeah, so this is perfect, but remember.
Down in Torrey, it's hot down there.
Yeah.
Torrey's the little town where you get all your goodies and stuff like that.
Yeah, but it is up and down the mountain, and it is dry camping, but they do have potable water fill and a dump station.
This is definitely one of our favorite dry camping places for sure.
Yes, this is amazing. We would definitely come back.
In this video, I'm going to do a site-by-site tour of all the sites because some of them are small and some of them are big and some of them have lots of room and some of them don't. And some of them are close to water, which is actually kind of a good idea. But anyway, so check out the site-by-site tour here of Singletree.
And we'll put a little bit of the waterfall hike that's right here in the campground.
Singletree Campground is a U.S. Forest Service campground located in north central Utah. It's part of the Dixie National Forest and close to Capitol Reef National Park. You get there by taking Scenic Highway 12. It's close to the town of Torrey and Bicknell. Switching over to the campground map, you enter here off of Highway 12, come down into the campground, and then pull up here in front of the host, which is where the bulletin board and where you register. Now, there are reservable sites 1 through 4 and then 22 through 31. Although the rest of the sites are first come, first serve, and then you register those sites after you pick them with the host. There are several water spigots marked as H located around the campground. There's also a dump station with a water fill at the end. There are several flush toilets in the campground, and there are pit toilets for the fall. The Group A and Group B sites are for large groups. Keep in mind that this campground is dry camping only. There is no water, sewer, or power at any of the sites.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got now. a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one to think about, the last one to think about. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Singletree and maybe a couple of tidbits of our hikes over in Capitol Reef. Have you been to Singletree Campground here near Torrey, Utah? If you have, please share your experience down in the comment section below.
You can also leave your comments or questions on Instagram and Facebook.
Now, if you want to see more campground tours like this, please consider subscribing to our channel by clicking the link right down here. I'm also going to leave a link to a playlist of more campground tours right over here. And remember,
Downsizing does make sense.